Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel and to a new episode today. And today I would like to show you how to bake or to prepare a very nice rolls. Yes? So it is very easy to do, and I leave the recipe in the description, and I would be very happy if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get updates whenever I uploaded a new video. Yeah? So let's get started. So what do we need? We need 500 grams of plain flour, wheat flour. We need 300 milliliters of water. We need 1 teaspoon of a good teaspoon of salt. And we need 15 grams of fresh yeast or 1 teaspoon of yeast, dry yeast. So what I do, I take a little bit from the water first. And I add teaspoon, okay? Teaspoon of dry yeast into the water, and I mix it. I do it the other way around. So I prepared this already. Yeah, I have my nice brand new KitchenAid machine here. And of course, everything what I'm doing here, you can do this by hand as well, of course. But the mixer machine is doing the job for you, which is very handy, of course. You know? Okay, and then I will add the salt into the flour. And I mix this a little bit roughly. The salt together with the flour. Yeah. Things getting messy now, but doesn't matter. So we'll add this into the bowl. And yes, it's getting messy. But anyway, yes, so now I will mix this first. Oh, I can add the water inside, no problem. The rest of the water. And then I will mix this roughly. Nice machine. Okay, and then I will add, a bit too fast, and then I add the yeast. And now I'll let it mix for around 5 minutes. The dough must be very tight, yeah, and not gluey at you. This is the most important, not gluey. So I will mix this now for 5 minutes. So if the dough is still a little bit too wet, you just add a little bit flour to it. Yeah, now it's good, I think. So Now we have our dough here now. Yeah. Most important, it is not gluey. I cleaned it here before, of course. So you make a ball, you prepare a ball. Okay, now it's finished. It should not be too dry, should not be too wet, should not glue on your fingers. And it's a little bit, but yeah, I don't care now. So you make a ball. Okay, and whenever it's finished, yeah, it is gluing a little bit, but I don't mind now. And you let it rest for 1 hour at a warm place. Okay, let's see how it looks after 1 hour, but you need to cover it, okay? So, see you later. So, hello. Yeah, we have here the dough, which was resting, yeah, a little bit longer than planned. And you can see it was growing already. It really looks nice now. Okay, and now what I'm doing is I'm preparing my rolls now. I hope I can do it. First I get out a little bit air to form my rolls. Okay, so I will prepare this dough that it looks like a roll. So it's up to you what kind of size you want to prepare it. So yeah, I think this is good enough in this way. It's like yeah, 5 centimeters long, but it's really up to you if you make it round or oval. Oval? I don't know how to. It's very gluey. Hello, yeah, now out of 500 grams of flour, I got 9 rolls. Now the procedure is you need to cut them. You can use a razor blade or a sharp knife. Yeah, so you're cutting here in the middle. Unfortunately, this is not too sharp. This is you have to cut it like that. This is not sharp enough. I don't know why. I got this. And you have to wait for another half an hour. So, yeah. The rolls were waiting now. The dough was waiting, yeah, for 1 hour, something like that. I made it a little bit longer. They did not grow too much, but it doesn't matter. So I cut again with a razor blade. I have to spray with water. Because when you do that, you get a kind of glossy surface on the rods. Now the oven is preheated to 240 degrees and I put it inside. And then we spray a little bit inside with water. So for 10 minutes, and then I will reduce the temperature to 210 degrees and bake it another 10 minutes. See you later. Okay, my rolls are ready baked, and let's have a look how they look like. Wow. Yeah, I let them cool a little bit. I did not bake them too long because I did not want it too bright, not too dark, sorry. Yeah. So this for me personally, this is perfect. And this is the water effect. It makes it a little bit glossy, you know. So let's have a look how it looks inside. This looks good already. Wow, look at this. This is nice. Okay, so I like to cut this in the middle first. Oh, actually it doesn't matter. This looks nice. Yeah, this looks really nice. Let's try. So this is the result. Yeah, very good. It could be a little bit more the dough, you know, to grow, that there's a little bit more air inside. But I really like the consistency. And the taste is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Hello friends. Thank you very much for watching my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And one thing I have to tell you, put your dough to a warm location. Yeah, because I noticed my dough is not growing properly. And the rolls as well. So they are still good. The consistency is good. The taste is great. Wonderful. Yeah, but they did not grow in the proper way. So put them in a really warm place and just let them a little bit longer at this position, just in case the dough did not grow up as you wish. But if the dough grew up properly and the rods as well, then everything should be fine. Okay, I would be very happy if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumb up. And yeah, I wish you all the best and see you next time in my next episode. Bye bye, Bernie.